It's up. Nice. Let's do this. There we go. Let's just take this thingy right over there. Okay, so we're gonna be doing some LeetCode. Let me check something out. Yep. So we're gonna go with an easy one. Alright, let's see. Given an integer x, return true if x is a what is that term? An integer is a when it reads the same forward and backwards. Oh, so 1, 2, for example. Okay, cool, pretty fucking cool. Pretty cool. Given an integer x, return true if x is a... Holy shit, that is hard. Well, I don't think so. Example, output true, explanation is false. Example 3, that it seems easy enough, right? Just need to use steps, right? That's all I need. What I need to do is very simple. Let me just check something. How to use step in for a string. Strong, nice. In Python. Strings. So we do start and step. Yeah, so we turn it into a string, right? Given an integer, right? So we just take x, make it equal into a string, x, right? But first of all, we actually alright, so well, yeah, we I don't have to delete that. We take this, right? And then we do an if statement. If x is equal to x minus 1, here we go. True. Oh, we don't print, it's a function, so we do true return true, else return weirdly. I don't think this is the right answer, but here we go. It absolutely is the right answer. Okay. So that was too easy. I believe. Anyways, let's submit. Let's just move on with our life. There we go. That was very easy. Too fucking easy. Alright. If we're done with that, we're done with that. What did I just do? Not a good thing. Doesn't seem like it. Let's go with... Wait, what? Okay. Yeah. So that's done. Why is 0 solved? Should get 1 solved. Okay, nice. So... Roman to integer. What is this? Is it absolutely hard? Seems like it. Roman to integer. Symbol I. Where is the code? Oh, yeah, here we go. That's how we do it. Symbol I is 1. V is 5. X is... Okay, so what we need to do here... Sorry, man. We gotta do that. We gotta do that. Nano Roman.txt. Okay, so just so we would, so I is 1, V is 5, X is 10. What's the common denominator here? I have no idea. I can't figure a common denominator out, so I'm not gonna. For example, 2 is written as in Roman numeral. Just 2 ones added together is written XII. What? Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Which is simply X plus II. Number 27 is written as XX, which is 20. Right? That's how it's supposed to be. No, there's nothing wrong. Oh no, I'm not wrong. Yeah, this is 20. This is 20, and then it's like, how is that 27? Oh, I forgot the V. Okay, makes sense. Roman numerals are usually written largest to smallest from left to right. Let's do that. Largest to smallest from left okay. Bad, okay. Largest to smallest. So then we got X, then V, then I. From left to right. However, well, 4 is not, instead the number 4 is written as IV because the 1 is before the 5 we subtract, making 4. Oh, okay. Four doesn't equal it is IV as I see it, it's easy. But let's not judge it too fast, right? Let's just copy paste this so that we can cover it all up. Okay, it seems fairly simple till now, but I don't think it's gonna be as simple as we think. So we want, let me just open a whiteboard. Here we go. Alright, so what do we want? We want to take something, right? Yeah, I mean, it's fairly simple, but is there a good way to write it and a bad way to do that? Come to think of it, I don't think so. Oh, okay, just listen. What we need here is fairly simple. We need to assign, right? Why would we assign? We don't need that. We would make a dictionary. That would be a good way to put it, right? So if I do this, let's do nvim. Why would I do nvim? What the hell? Yeah, here we go. Here we are. Let's just go to code. What is happening? Okay, so here we go. We take a string, right? So what are the examples? We can make a dictionary, right? I don't remember much about dictionaries. The input is I, and the output is 3. So technically, we can either make it a dictionary, which would be a good way to do that. Well, it would be the only good way to do that, actually. So let's just make little let's call it D, and then let's just do this, and then here we go-sies. Let's just take that shit. Here we go. Let's just cover these in quotes. Yeah. Why would I give a shit? Spaces don't really matter, do they? Anyways. So that's that. Let's just look for how to get the value to get the value of a key in Python dictionary, use either dict key syntax or .get method. Okay, seems fairly simple. Well, okay, this seems pretty good. As I know, .get 10. You give the key. Yeah, it gives you the value. So until now, what we do have is this. Oh, this is wrong. I was doing it all wrong. Gosh darn it. Okay. Let's see. What do you have here? We need to take an integer, right? We need to get its value. For I, or for, let's say for wait a minute. All right. Here we go. So we want to get, but we need to figure out a general solution here. You know, something that works on all numbers, right? So I'm thinking, if it's something simple, like we want to get a key. So if it's equal to a key, we just return the value. So if S is equal to the keys, I mean the values actually. Oh yeah, the keys. we return the value. That makes sense, right? Now, what if it doesn't? If it doesn't, then we use if statements. First of all, we covered the simple stuff. Why would I write simple? We use an if statement, right? This if statement covers these bad boys. The possibility. Oh, here we go. Here's an arrow. We know that little thingy, right? So we just need to know how to get. We just need to know how to get ourselves the key itself. We need to know how to get ourselves the key itself. How to get a key. The dictionary typically uses the key directly to access its corresponding. Dot keys. We make a little list. Let's call it my keys. Let it be equal D to D. Let's make it a list. Of D dot my keys. Keys. So now, if S is in my keys, right? What we give is what we return we return what we do is that we can either do d dot get s, or we can do, alright, seems fair enough. Alright, let me just check if my syntax is correct. So let me check if my syntax is correct. Yeah, thank you very much. So what we do, it's very okay. Let me do S is in my keys. Else if, now here's the other parts. Let's do else and make an if statement. Now let's see how many possibilities we have. Let's just check nano for what I already put. Largest to smallest from left to right. So that's one thing we need to think of. Oh, yeah. This is turning out to be hard. My head is starting to hurt my fucking... Okay. Alright, we do this. Exactly this. So that, we took care of this, alright? But if we don't have goddamn thing itself, if we don't, it's not in one of our keys, we need to make an if statement. And then what we do is that we make a for loop. Actually, seems fairly simple. What I think we should make an else if statement is equal to here we go. If it's equal to or s is equal to return how much? 4, yeah. Else if s is equal to, I believe, xi, yeah, right? No, it's not xi, it's actually, well, yeah, I can be placed with an x, yeah, it's actually supposed to be ix, not xi. Else if we return 9, we make another else if statement. S is equal to, let's see what we have. X can be placed before L. Yeah, so that it would make X can be placed before L and C, so that it would make 40. or 90. Return, that's all caps, 40. Well, isn't there a way? No, there is no need to do that. I was thinking of a way that would make it even. XC it should go from largest to smallest. That's smallest, then largest. Okay. We return 90. We might make another else if statement. Can we actually make this? No, we can't. Well, we can do some. Okay, no, we absolutely can't. Else if. So we got done with that. C can be placed before if S is equal to CD, right? So we make 400 and 900. Return 400. Else if S is equal to CM, return 900. So until now, we took care of all of these, right? Now we make an else statement. This is the big problem in here. So now that we've taken care of everything. So, all right. For I in S, what we want to do is that we check each and every letter, right? We check each and every letter that they put in, and then we generally just add these up, right? So if we get say XII, this is just 10 plus 2. So what we want to do is that we get our values, right, for I and S. So what we want to do is this. The dictionary, my dictionary right here. Here's my dictionary. I just want to get the keys, as I already remember. That's how you get a key, right? That's how you get a key. Yeah, that's that. All right, that's how you get a key. We'll get a value, right? Just let me do this, okay? Let me make a variable called sum, and let's assign it to 0. And after that, let's do sum plus equals D at what? At I. that's supposed to work? Because technically it is going to go get us, right? You know? Until it's done. Let's just test it out. Shit. Invalid syntax. You forgot a comma. Oh, I forgot. I forgot my commas. Sorry. I should have done that. Okay. Return outside function. How is it outside function? Return. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. It's absolutely ridiculous. So what I should do is that I should tab all of these. Well, why did I do that? I can just do this, right? And then tab. And I should just tab this also. And let's fiddle a little bit. Oh, the output is null. How is it null? Did I forget to return? Seems like I did. Yep. Right. Outside of the for loop, we want to return sum. Now let's run it. Output is 1. Why is the output 1? The output is 1 also. Oh, it's 5. That means that this is okay. Wait a minute. So it's stopping after the first one. Now it's not even. L is supposed to be 50. Why is it giving it? And then M. Why is it giving us 5? We want to, for each and every letter in S, we want to seems very weird to me, to be honest. Well, wait a minute. All right. Let's think about this. What if I do d.get I? It's not going to change a thing, is it? Doesn't seem like it. Yep. It gave me 1. Seems fine. That isn't good. That is not good. Let me try something. Let me do this. Let me open Vim. Actually, Nano would do. No, this seems useless. This seems very fucking useless. Alright, forgot to. Alright, here we go. Let's just do this. And that, okay. There we go. There we go-sies. Let's just take this. Let's yank this from here. Yank this from here. Let's just yank this, all of that. Right, okay, I didn't make it into a fucking Python file. Let's just press Control X and let's clear the terminal. Let's that pi. Right, seems very fucking. I didn't. Okay, seems pretty straightforward. Let's just print my keys. Yeah, seems pretty nice, right? Okay, so we do. Let's do Python. So let's run it, right? I want to see what comes out. Yep. This is supposed to work then. Why did it give me 1? If S in my keys. Maybe this is where this is going wrong. Is X, if X in my list a valid way Then why? Why is this not working? What am I not seeing in here? What am I not seeing? What am I not seeing? What am I not seeing? What actually, let's go to nano again. Let's do this. Instead of printing the keys, let's assign something called S and make it this. Let's say I. Alright, and then do if S in D print there. Let's just do, we did that again. Let's go do Python. There. Alright, so if I do IV, so it doesn't. Alright, seems nice. Let's yank the other, let's say, else if S is IX return 9. Let's take this thing here. Okay. If IX, let's just do tab, right? Yeah. No. Here we go, let's print 9. Let's just change this into IX. What is happening? Control O, enter, Control X, and then let's do Python 9. So this is working. What's not working is this thingy. This is not working. This is what's not working. How is that possible? Why is it not working? What if I do this for I? Right? For I and S. Now we're checking each and every one of the letters. Right, so let's say M, I. This is just a little silly example. For I in S. So then we do, I want to get the sum, and the sum is equal to 0, then the sum is plus equals the M, we have D that get I, right? Let's see what is happening in here. Let's do Control O, enter, and Control X. Let's run the program. Wait, Just do now. Oh yeah. Let's do an else statement. Actually, let's just delete these sons of beaches. Let's just do Control O, Enter, Control X. Yeah, sure. What is happening? For I. Oh, we didn't print some actually. That was fairly stupid. Print S. Print sum. How would it give 1? How would it give 1? Why would it ever give 1? It's absolutely... What? What if I define the sum before the for loop? Let's do sum, and it's going to be equal to 0. Now let's 100 0. Oh my god. Seems like I got it. Absolutely does. Does it? Is it that simple? We just make this little thingy up here. What, dude? Is that possible? Unexpected indent. Okay, we can fix that. We can fix that. We can fix that. What is this? Oh, wait. Then all we do is that we indent sum to be with keys. Oh, okay. Why did I get that? Oh my god. Oh my god. That is so not cool. Oh god, okay. Okay. I can see that. M is 1,000. C is how much? 100. So 100,000. Then M. Oh yeah. Here we go. So C is less than M. Then we got X is less than C, and then oh shit. Wait, can't I actually just... These cases are correct. Alright, no problem whatsoever. Yet this son of a bitch is the problem, right? Which is something I didn't put into account. So if I go to code, what do we have in here? What I did oh dear Lord. Okay. What I can do is this. I can make an if statement, right? Now, if d.get I I should make it. Ah, for fuck's sake. No, I shouldn't. Should I? I should not. I can depend on the values, right? So if the value. So I can do this. I can do an if statement, and this if statement states that if the value if hear me out. No. it doesn't. Alright. Alright, makes sense. Actually makes sense. Oh my god, I think I just even figured out the fucking solution to another LeetCode problem that I've been having problems to solve. Alright, so what we do is the way we make a for loop. Okie dokie. What we do here is fairly simple then. For I in range len, we do len what we do is this. If D at the index of I is less than D at the index of I plus 1, what we return is literally sum. What we do is this, we do this, we then sum is going to be equal to minus d dot get what did I just write? Get I, not I. We want to if and only if the number is less than yeah, it seems right. We want the value of I. So what we want, so let's say we got 10 and 40, or 10 and 50, okay? So we got 10 and 50, XV, or XL actually, is it? Yep, XL. So that we can get 40. It's going to be minus 10, and it's going to be, yep. I'm gonna take this little thingy here, and then I'm gonna take this little thingy here, and we're gonna do else, and then either way we're gonna return sum. Key error. What is this? Why is this a key error? is this? What if we do .get? It doesn't really matter. Yet I want to see how it's going to be different. You know? Mm-hmm. How is it non-type? It's an integer. It's an integer. So how can it not? How can it be? How? How can it? Absolutely tired, fried, but wait a minute. Let me just think about this. If d.get I is less than d.get I plus 1. Yeah. Why is this wrong? How could this be wrong? This doesn't make any sense. How can it be non-type? If I just made an arithmetic operation on it. How long have we been on? How long have we been on? It's been an hour. Alright. Hasn't been so long, but let me just check something out. Let me close these tabs. My CPU is gonna my CPU and RAM are gonna die. Just alright. Our keys, our values of dicts non-type There's no way, man. I'm not asking if it can be, I'm asking if they are, because see, the error that I'm getting is so annoying. I in range length of blah 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 if d dot get I is less than. How is that possible? Like, how in the name of God would it be non-type? Had I not made a fucking arithmetic operation on it, I wouldn't be upset. Not supported between instances of non-type. How could it be? And okay, you're upset because of the less than. Then wow. Why aren't you upset about the plus sign? I just did addition. How is that even possible? Let's get a break. Let's get a break. All right, just a little bit of a break. Let's just close this son of a bitch. Not that. Well, technically that for now. Let's give you all a proper thing to watch. Non Dude, what? Even though I love this song, actually, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I'm that much of a fucking retard, right? Oh my god, it's gonna be stuck in my head all day. Yeah, let's do that, right? Let's open it. Oh, let's do non-copyrighted music, but now let's make it. What the fuck? How is that opening? Let's do Nightcore. Core. See. Actually, it absolutely is. Okay.
Tell me, was she worth it? Was she worth it? Tell me, was she worth it? Darling, now I caught you cheating.
I did a little bit of research. Wait, what the fuck did I do? Yeah, thank you very much, so. Did a little bit of research. While, you know, that's happening. Turns out, I was doing I plus 1, right? So, if I would, here's the thing. What I was supposed to do, I'm thinking about a solution.